Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Oma here. Today's the first one coming across my channel. You're especially welcome. And in this channel I do obtain skincare, I review skincare products, and I give effective skincare tips. So if you think this is what you're interested in watching, sit back as we jump right into today's video. So guys, I'm going to be telling you the product that I've been using for the past 1 month that have literally taken my skin from level 0 to what it is right now. I am super grateful for where my skin is right now. You know, this product has helped to heal my skin barrier, and they've also helped to glow up my skin. They've also given me a radiant skin tone that, you know, people always compliment. So I'm going to be walking you how I use it. In today's video, I'm only going to focus on the face. Then on the next video, I'm going to be dropping body care. So if you'll be struggling on products to use for your face, if you're an oily skin girly, your girl got you covered in this video today. As an oily skin girly, the #1 product that should be in your routine is your face cleanser, your face wash, or your face soap. So I'm going to be telling you the one that I am using and how good they are for me. Then for my face wash, for my face cleanser, I use the Face Fat Ceramide Skin Barrier Complex. Guys, this particular face wash, it is super good. The picture is going to be on the screen for you to see it clearly. So this one is the blemish clarifying foaming cleanser. Like, I kid you not, this particular foaming cleanser, it is super good. I've used the hydrating one. It was good for me at the time, but I decided to switch things up because I have oily skin, and this one is also good if you have oily skin and also acne prone skin. You can use this product. This product is super good. So this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how I combine it with other products, you know, to heal my skin, to give my skin that glowing and radiant feel. So this one contains a whole lot of good ingredients that is nourishing, you know, that will unclog your pores, you know, to allow every other product that you're using to work for you. So the #1 ingredient on this particular product is, it contains 5 ceramides, it contains 2% salicylic acid, and it also contains niacinamide. Salicylic acid in it will help to, you know, exfoliate your skin and also unclog your pores. So I will advise, if you're using this particular cleanser, because it contains salicylic acid, you shouldn't use it every day if your skin cannot tolerate it. But for me, my skin tolerates it. I use it every day. It does not give me any reaction. So I use it every day, but basically I use it every day at night. Then in the morning, okay, I didn't bring my Dove or beauty bar, so I use my Dove beauty bar in the morning. Then at night I use this to, you know, take out the dirt, the gunk on my face, because, you know, when you go out, you've been exposed to dust and every other thing. So this helps to deeply cleanse, you know, and take off all the dirt in my face. So I use this in the night, then I use my Dove beauty bar in the morning. So you can, you know, try this method and your skin will love it for you. So after using my face wash, the #2 thing on my routine is my toner. So I equally use the Face Fat Soothing Facial Toner. Man, this particular toner, it is good. Like, it is a cheaper version, or yeah, it's a cheaper version of Aqua facial toner. So if you don't want to use this, you can use the Aqua facial toner, or you can use the simple, you know, facial toner. I will be putting all the pictures on the screen for you to see. So if you don't like this one, if you think this one will not do it for you, it's not doing it for you, so you can get this or you get this, and your skin will love it. Your face is already washed. So what I do basically is to put, I don't use cotton pad for it. So what I do basically is to put it, you know, on my palm, then pat it, like, you know, apply it on my face generously like this. Then I take it down all the way to my neck. So your skin to be even, whatever product you are using on your face, make sure you also apply it on your neck so that you have an even skin tone. So if you've been suffering from uneven skin tone, I think it's a result of you not using your skincare products the right way. So whatever product you are using for your face, make sure you apply it down to your neck, so that your neck and your face will have an even tone. So after using my toner, then I allow it to dry, to sink into my face, allow it for a while to sink into my face. Then I go in with my facial serum. So basically I've been using vitamin C facial serum, and I noticed that I react to vitamin C. Yeah, I've reviewed quite a number of vitamin C facial serum in this channel that I was using at the time. Then I noticed that over time my face, I started reacting to it, started giving me rashes. I started to switch things up. So I went for this serum. So this is the face fat niacinamide facial serum. So this is their glow up facial serum. Like, my face loves this serum a lot. I have other serums that I am using, but this one I use it basically in the morning. This is super good. So if you're the type that react to vitamin C facial serum, I think you should get this. And this is good for someone that has oily skin. If you have oily skin, it is super good for someone that has oily skin. I've also got to understand one thing, that vitamin C serum is not for everyone. If vitamin C serum is not working for you, switch things up and go for this one. And this particular one, the time I got it, the price was affordable. So you can get this and and start using, and give your vitamin C facial serum a break for now, and see how your face will turn out. So this is how I equally apply it. So I take so you can see how it's looking. So I take it and I apply it on my face like this. Then I massage it thoroughly into my face. Also don't forget to massage it on your neck. Take it down to your neck. Don't forget to take it down to your neck. So I massage this properly, on my face. Then I equally give it time. To sink into my face. I give it some time to sink into my face. Then after allowing it, to sink into my face, I go in with my facial moisturizer. I bought this face moisturizer initially. I didn't like it. I was looking at it that this thing is too, it makes my face oily. But man, this moisturizer is for the price. It is good. Since I started using it, I've not been breaking out. Apart from that time of the month that you see 1 or 2 breakouts on your face. This particular face moisturizer, it is super good. It is hydrating. It literally feels like you're applying water, like you pour fresh water on your face. So this is how this particular face moisturizer feels. So if you don't like this, if you can't get this, you can try the simple or moisturizing face lotion. So there is the replenishing and there is also the hydrating facial lotion. So you can try any of it. And also try this face fat vitamin C face lotion or face moisturizer. It is also a good option. Or you can also try the face fat wonder face cream. The picture is going to be on the screen for you to see. So you can try any of it. So this is how I apply this on my face. So I take it like this. I apply it on my face. Like this. Sorry guys, I don't want to take too much. So I massage it into my face. I massage it properly into my face and not leaving out my neck. Because what is fine girl with fine face with a dark looking neck? It doesn't make sense now. So I take it always down to my neck. Then after applying my face moisturizer, I give it time, a little while for it to sink. Then after that, I go in with my sunscreen. I go in with my sunscreen. So this is the sunscreen that I am using currently. The picture is going to be on the screen for you to see properly. So this is the sunscreen I'm using. So this sunscreen, it is affordable, it does not give white cast, and it does not sting the eyes. So it is hydrating and moisturizing. And sometimes I alternate this. Sometimes I use only this in the morning without applying my face moisturizer. But today I am using both. So you have to be very, very generous on your, so the 3-finger method, so here, 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 and not also leaving out your neck. So I massage this so you can see that there is no single white cast, and this thing does not sting my eyes in any way. I just give it a little time.
A few moments later.
So this is it here, favorite lip moisturizer. So I go in my lip moisturizer to keep my lips hydrated all day. So yeah, this is basically it. So guys, this brings us to the very end of today's video. Have you used any of the products that I just mentioned in today's video, or you plan buying them? Please go ahead and buy them. Your skin will love it. Guys, if you enjoy watching today's video, give this video a huge thumbs up, because that is what will make YouTube to recommend it for other people to watch. And also leave your opinion in the comment section. I love that a lot. And don't forget to share with your friends and family. And until I come your way next time,